Hello students, in this module we will discuss a program to print Fibonacci series up to n terms. What is Fibonacci series? As you can see on screen, it is written 0, 1, the first two terms. Now the third term is the sum of previous two terms, that is 0 and 1 is equal to 1. Next term is the sum of its previous two terms, that is 1 and 1, it will be 2. The next two terms are 1 and 2, the sum is 3. The next two terms 3 and 2, the sum is 5, and so on, up to n terms. So what the logic, what we are going to use in this program is that we are assuming 0 as A and 1 as B. Now we are adding A and B and storing that into C as C equal to A plus B. If it is C equal to A plus B, so this 0 and 1 will become 1. Now further, we will change that B to A and that C to B. And if we do that, then A plus B will again make it to C, that is 2. Similarly, we will continue the same process of making B to A and C to B, so that we can use the same code, that is C equal to A plus B, for getting the next term one by one. So what we'll do in this question, that we will write the first few lines like import java.util.scanner semicolon. It's a common line, we all know. In the class name I've taken as Fibo. We all know that the identifier should be mnemonic. So for that, for Fibonacci, I'm taking Fibo. As you can see, the class name Fibo as well as the file name I've taken as Fibo. Now the curly braces open, then the public static void main string args and the curly braces open. Now the next line is scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. What we are doing here is to create the object. We are creating an object of class scanner. The object name is sc. Now next thing that we have few variables. The first variable is a, which is equal to 0. As you can see here, the first term is 0 and the second term is 1. So you can see here the b is equal to 1. Next term is c. In that we'll add a and t further. The n variable is used for the number of terms. Now what we'll do? We'll enter number of terms here with the input n equal to s0. Next thing. Now, as you can see, as I said, that the third term is the sum of previous two terms. But what about the first and the second term? So for that, we are printing it already as system.out.print a. So it will print the value of a, that is 0. Then comma, that will print comma with the concatenation operator, and then the b, which is the value of b, that is 1. So it will print 0, comma 1. Now, I is equal to 3. Why it is? Because we are starting the loop from the third term. The first term is 0, we have printed already. The second term is 1, we have printed already. Now we are looking for the third term, so the loop which will start from 3. Now the next part is while I less than equal to n. So let us assume that n is equal to 5. So 3 less than equal to 5. I am giving you the try run also of this program. Now the next part. It's true. As you can see, the condition of this loop, whatever is given here, is true. Now c equal to a plus b. So what I said, we'll add a and b together. So it is initially it was 0 plus 1. So that is equal to 1. Now we'll print here comma. So it will print comma and the value of c, that is 1. So as you can see, 0, 1 and third term is also 1. Now important line, a is equal to b. So what is b? 1. A equal to b means the value of b will be assigned to variable a. So initially a was 0, but now we are assigning the value of b into a. So a will become 1. Similarly, b equal to c. The value of c was 1 and we have assigned that c into the variable b, that was 1. So again the c 1, so b will also be 1. So now the value of a is 1 and b is equal to 1, as you can see here. The next line is iteration I plus plus. We are adding the next term, that is the value of I was 3. Now with I plus plus it will become 4. So we'll check the condition here. 4 less than equal to 5. The condition is true. Now coming to this one, C equal to A plus B. That is A 1 B 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So system dot out print comma C, that is comma 2. Next line again A equal to B. So what is B? 1 as we can see. So A will become 1 and B equal to C. And what is C? 2. So the value of B will now be 2. I plus plus, so I was 4, now it is 5. Again the condition will be checked. So I is equal to 5, less than equal to 5, true. A 1 and what is B? 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So it will print comma 3, the fifth term. Okay, as you can see till here. Now A is equal to B. So B was 2, now A is equal to 2. And B equal to C, that is 3. Now A is 2 and B is 3. And I will become 6. So 6 less than equal to 5, condition will be false. So we'll go out of the loop. And that is how the program ends here. So this is how we have written the program of getting the Fibonacci series. Similarly, there is one more question called Fibonacci series. In that question, we will add 3 terms, the previous 3 terms rather than 2 terms. Okay, so please try that. Only few changes here and there in this code, and this program will be changed into Fibonacci series. So try that, try the Fibonacci series at home. Now in the meantime, I will execute this program. Okay, let us save. First, I am going to this part and writing Java C space file name dot Java. The file name was also Fibo. So Java C space Fibo dot Java. The program is compiling. I am waiting for that. The program is successfully compiled. Now Java space class name. The class name is also Fibo. So Java space Fibo. Let us press the enter button. So enter number of terms. If I enter 5 here, press the enter button. I got the first 5 terms of the series, that is 0, 1, 1, 2 and 3. Let us re-execute that with the number of terms 10. As you can see, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 and 34. Again the sum of previous 2 terms. So this is how this Java program for finding the Fibonacci series. Okay, hopefully you got the concept clear, and I hope it will help you. Okay, so thank you so much.